Every single day, I'm gonna make something great. That's my way. Every single day.
Hi friends, this is Swati. Welcome to my channel, My Craft World.
Like a bird on a tree, I'm just sitting here. I got time.
Today we are going to learn how to decorate old glass bottle.
From up here, the world
Please like and subscribe my channel.
we can sit together.
Things needed: empty glass bottle,
So beautiful,
jute fabric, golden lace,
we meant to be
jute rope,
in the great out
handmade paper flowers or any flowers, 2 leaves, Fevicol and scissors. Take an empty bottle of any shape and cut the jute cloth neatly as much you need. Take little water in a bowl, add Fevicol in it and mix it well with brush. Now apply this Fevicol to lower part of the bottle to stick the jute cloth.
from a distance you can tell.
Start sticking the jute cloth evenly on bottle.
You and me,
Stick the jute cloth around the bottle.
in the great outdoors, forever free. You and me, meant to be in the great outdoors, forever free.
Apply Fevicol on the starting portion of the jute cloth and fix it very neatly. Gently press and stretch the jute cloth on bottle to avoid the wrinkles. Here we use rubber bands to secure it neatly till it's dry.
Like a bird,
Apply Fevicol from the top of the bottle with brush.
I'm just sitting.
Apply some Fevicol at the tip of the jute rope to secure it neatly. Now start wrapping the jute rope neatly by covering the bottle from top.
From up here, the world seems small. We can sit,
Now repeat wrapping till the start of jute cloth.
it's so beautiful. You and me, we meant to be in the great outdoors, forever free. Sometimes you need to go and take a step back to see the truth around you. From a distance you can tell. You and me,
Do a neat finishing for good output.
in the great outdoors, forever free. You and me, meant to be.
To cover the top portion, apply some Fevicol and cover it with jute rope as shown. Now remove the rubber bands. Apply some Fevicol on other end of the jute fabric for neat finish. Stick the golden lace and wrap as shown.
tree. I'm just sitting here. I got time. It's clear to
Secure the end of the lace with small piece of sellotape.
from up here. The world seems
Repeat the same on the starting of the jute cloth and top of the bottle.
together. It's so beautiful. You and me. We meant to be in the great outdoors. Forever free. Sometimes you need to go and take a step back to see the truth around you. From a distance you can tell. You and me.
Stick some flowers in the middle of the jute cloth portion with sellotape.
In the great outdoors, forever free. You and me,
Apply Fevicol around the bottle to stick golden lace.
in the great outdoors, forever free.
Put some leaves to enhance it before sealing the flower ends. Start pasting lace on the Fevicol neatly as shown. Finally, apply one more line of Fevicol to paste the golden lace.
I'm just sitting here. I got time. It's clear to see from up here.
Our decorated bottle is ready now.
The world seems small. We can sit together. It's so beautiful. You and me. We meant to be in the great outdoors. Forever free.
Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe my channel and hit the bell button for future notifications.